you ever been overwhelmed by your computer? Like you're trying to use it, but it's not working out. You happen to look at some features, for example, these folders, you're not getting them. You're seeing something called the mentally, as you can see here, the network, the PC, the Microsoft, the search engines, the Zoom, the recycle bin, the Acrobat reader, control panel, all of these, but trying to get it. What like how they can be used. Today I want to help you start from scratches and become a fully professional person about computer literacy. First and foremost, this is just the start of my videos, but next videos I'll go further ahead to show you, for example, the different parts of the computer. Though this one is just direct, I'll show you what's direct on either the PC. It can also be the phone or the MacBook or the iPad. First and foremost, I'll start by showing you, for example, there's something called the, for example, there's something called the, for example, how to create a folder, right? You may say that I want to create a folder. So what you will do, you can just click here. After clicking, then they will show you different options. So you can click on it, then you can see the folder part here. Then you just click here, then you can give it a name. For example, you can write a name, for example, Regan, as you can see. Then you click enter, then it will be saved. Then when you tap it, it just like this. Then inside it, then where you can just click it in any space, then you click new, then you click in on like any of these options. For example, you may want to create a Word document, you simply tap on here. So it will come here, then you can rename it by clicking backspace. Then you can just say tomorrow, click enter again. So when you open it, just take you direct to the word processing, as you can see. As you can see, so I will have opened my word from inside here, as you can see here. So the other thing that you can do, first close, you can also create the different, for example, the Microsoft database. For example, you want to create, for example, something about the payment of workers, how they, for example, you're like a bursar, you're an accountant, you use the database mostly. You can also create a presentation. For example, you're a lecturer, you want to present work to your students, you have to use this one also to try to help you. By that, you'll have learned how to the section of the folders, what have you. First go back, click on this one. That's the minimize option. This is the maximize, and then this one is for the exit. Then the other thing, you may have, for example, some document. You want to remove that document from the PC to the computer, right? Though you have a phone, though you don't have this thing called the USB. You simply download the Zender app. After downloading, then you just click on it, as you see. It's like loading. I mean, I've double clicked on it. Then after loading, it opens itself, as you can see. Then by that, you can send any file to any phone. Whether you have an iPhone or an Android or any phone, you simply click on send to phone, as you can see. If I click here, select to send. Let's wait. I'll first click here, connect to phone. So I'll happen to get my phone. Then I go to Zender, as you can see. Then I be like connect to PC. Then it loads itself. I'll have data on. Then after that, I'll scan this. After scanning it, I'll then able to send, as you can see here. Here's the phone. Then I can send anything, whatever thing I want. For example, I may want to send a photo. I'll just send like that. That's how it works. Then, for example, I may have my phone, though I want it to know how it functions. For example, some of you may have iPhones or Android phones. All of them have different, for example, some software that enables them to be able, for example, to simplify your data. For example, Android phones have, for example, Google Voice Assistant. Now let me give an example for those who have iPhones. If it happen to say, for example, hey Siri, I'm going to open itself and I say, call mommy. Give it some few time. On it. I think you're trying to hear. You see?
I'm having trouble with the connection. Please try again later.
Just wait. Hey Siri, call mommy.
Call mommy. Mobile.
You see? It is calling. That's how it works. So the other thing that I can show you, that's about the sending. This one, it's about the sending. So I'll first close this one. First close it. So after like closing it, then I can show you, for example, you may want to create for example, this one is called, for example, if you have a meeting online, you can use this Zoom. And the searching, I showed you in my previous video about the AI tools, how you use these Google apps, the search engines. You want to organize work, use Mendeley. The reading, use Microsoft Edge. Or there's also the other apps, for example, the Notepad. So the other things where, for example, there is where I can get to know this, for example, this how your PC looks like. For example, you click here on the Microsoft part, then you open to put settings, then you open them, as you can see. Then when they are like open, can then see how your PC looks like inside. And there's some part, for example, sometimes it happens to have problems, so you have to click here on the Windows update option. Then you check whether there are any options. If there, then you click on here. Click on it so that you can download it. Then you can check the privacy, because anybody can attack your PC or your phone. You can also, if you want to play some games, the accounts on your PC, you can also find them here, as you can see. You can also get to know the different apps on your PC, the ones that you installed and those that are inbuilt. You want to exchange how it looks like. You want to connect to internet, send something or anything. I've showed you that. Then the other thing I can show you, which is somehow different from what you know, which is somehow not like obvious to like everyone. There is something that they call but I think I also showed it to you. The other thing of for example, how we want to verify the different documents, whether they are like authentic or they are dupe. Showed you in the AI how you can get to know how even kids can even get to know. For example, I can even happen to have deleted some file of mine. For example, I can come here, as you can see here, I delete any of this. But after, let me show you, after clicking, it's called you show me file, I delete it. So, but after some time I'm like, I want a deed. Where am I going to get it? Don't worry, simple. You just come here to the recycle bin, you double click on it. So it will be the first one here. So you just click on it, then you say restore. Then you come back, as you can see. If I go back here, you can see it. It has come back, as you can see. That's how you do it. But in case you happen to delete it even here, for example, I click here, I click on this one, then I say delete. It will remove automatically, and I will never see it again. Then I'll never see it again. That's how it works. This is where you can see the different apps on your document. I mean, on your desktop, and the downloads you've got, and the documents you have, the pictures, and the music, and the videos, and the different compartments, and the recent, and the different folders that you've already created. You can also see what's on your PC. You can also get to know the network and the local disk. Also, you can also get to know from here. So with that, you're able to know how your computer looks like, the different components on your computer, and how to simplify them. Another thing I can show you, uh, most of us like we happen to have this, like the problem of, for example, of our Wi-Fi happen not to be working. But it's simple. What you do, you just happen to come here, click here, then you just type in run. You go to run. Then on run, no, this is the first option which you must do is first come to your network settings. You come here, then you go to wait. I first refresh. Let's go to network settings. You go to network. Then you first try out this one. First try out some option called the hearts here. Then you first try out this one, advanced settings. In advanced settings, your major emphasis should be placed on this network reset option, that you're able to recover your network. So you can also run it so that you're able to recover your network back. It's somehow confusing, though you need to just be be for example, patient, because the video I've made it's for the good, not for the bad. The other thing I can show you, for example, this is how I'm creating it. This is how I've made this. For example, this YouTube video, and that I've used called Camtasia. So it also works in the same way. You have to first sign up, be able to like use it. Those who have any inquiries, you click in the notification, you click the notification bell, and happen to send a message. For example, you can say that you want to know how you can use the Mendeley and the Camtasia also, so that you're able to understand everything. For example, showed you how to open the window. Some apps happen to go, for example, they are out of date. Just go to this option, Microsoft Store, then you check for updates. Some of us happen to have MacBooks. For those, it's the same option, just that it's a different brand. It's just up different. For example, you can see somebody having an iPhone, somebody having an Android phone, for example, Samsung or Infinix. They're just the same, just like the brand and some few specification, but they have the same stuff, same components. With that, I think, let me see. Though the other thing that that I need to know about the computer literacy, there is the mouse, there is the keyboard, there is the monitor. I'll show you. I'll show you. In case you have never seen them and want to see them, please comment on the comment about this video, and I'll let you know about it. Uh, the mouse, but for this PC, I'm simply using it's the cursor. And some parts it's like the mouse is also the actual mouse. It's supposed to be moving. Mouses can be electronic or manual. Electronic, you can be at some distance, though not too far from the computer, but still wireless, can connect. So that's how you can see the Bluetooth, how it works. Then the other thing I can for example tell you about is simply how the different companies. For example, if I happen to go to look here, this is for the business part. You can click on an account. Then you can find all the different apps that are, for example, the account of your PC, the drive where you save your work, the Gmail, the maps. For example, you're like lost, you want to cover yourself. At the Gmail, you want to search anything they do. For example, you want to search anything, the news, the calendar, the search, the translate, all are here, even the searching. I can try to show just a bit. For example, if I click on my drive, to open it safe as you can see, then I can see all my format documents here. For example, I'll show you the recent ones. I had made some time back, but let's see. I think they aren't here, though I had here some documents some time back. I think I deleted them. Though this is the drive, I'll show you in my next videos. There is also the option of the Gmail where you can send your message to like anyone. These are the advanced messages. You can replace the other ones. You can also try out the option of the YouTube where you want to search anything. All these are Google options. You can also try out the option of the Gemini. You want to search anything. It's the same one. Just like how ChatGPT works. Chat with it, as you can see. Though I think my connection is weak. There is also the maps. For example, you're in some place, you're lost, you want to go back to your place. For example, you can put here any place you want. You can put here the direction part. You put here certain option. You can put here cover the district, and you're going to Kampala. Kampala Sena Hotel. It will still show you how you can move, as you can see. You cover here, then you come up to Kampala. You can also zoom so that you can see every place clearly. As you can see, straight. You can see this is the Masaka Road. Just move like that. Another thing I can show you is the calendar. You want to mark the date, someone's birthday. You can easily know. Just click on that. I'll show you in the previous next videos. The news about anything. So it gives you that option. Top stories. You want to search. You want to see the photos. You want to deselect the zoom. You want to send arts and culture, go arts merchant. You want to create forms. For example, you're like a lecturer. You want your students to be able to sign up some form that you save them other than them manual writing. You can use this. You can travel. You want your contacts. You can shift the contacts from your phone to the PC. I'll show you also in my next videos. So by that, I can request you continue subscribing, liking, commenting, clicking the bell for all my notifications. Let's meet in the next videos. Okay.